Welcome back to the Excel 2016 course. In this video, we will look at creating Excel workbooks. Once you start your Excel application, this is the initial window that will be displayed to you on your screen. From here, you have two options to create workbooks. The first one is you can start with a blank workbook, or you can use one of the templates that are available. Let us first look at the blank workbook option. Double click on the blank workbook, that's the very first one. Boom, now you see a blank workbook. It's not saved yet, but you have a copy of the blank workbook. You can enter the data and you can save the document. We will look at entering the data at a later time, in a different video, but for now we are just looking at the options or the ways in which we can create workbooks. In order to save it, use the save button on the left top corner or use Ctrl S. On this screen, pick a desired location. It could be one of your OneDrive or SharePoint site or your local computer. Pick a desired location, browse to the desired directory, and then give a name to your workbook. And then click the save button. Now our workbook is saved to our desired location, and you can go back and of course open it and start using it, start entering the data. Well, it's that simple. Now let us look at creating workbooks using templates. On the initial window, the Excel displays many templates along with the blank workbook option. These templates are provided by Microsoft for free. And the Excel window also provides an option to search for these templates. For example, enter personal and hit enter on your keyboard. The Excel application performs an online search and displays all the templates that meet the criteria. On the right hand side, you can see the categories. You can click on the desired category to view those results. Once you select a desired template, just double click on it and the Excel will download the template from Microsoft and opens it for you. The workbook is ready for you to edit. Make all the desired modifications to your likings and save the document for future needs. In order to save the document, we use the exact same procedure we saw a couple of minutes ago. Use the save button on the left top corner, or you could use Ctrl S. Next, select the desired location. It could be OneDrive, SharePoint site, or your local drive or network drive, and make sure you browse to the desired folder as well and give your workbook a name and hit the save button. Well, that's done. We just downloaded a template and saved it to your desired location. You can always go back to the saved copy and make additional modifications in terms of format, entering data, adding images, etc. Well, that's it. I will see you in the next video.